Yo, it's Life Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another video, and I know you guys can only see part of my face right now, or maybe I'm like my palettes in front of you, but this is gonna be the part 2 to my MECCA haul. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my palettes, the shades. I'm gonna be doing swatches and my goodies bag that I said I was gonna show you guys in the last MECCA video. So this is the awesome goodies bag that I had with all random samples and stuff, you know, sample sized stuff that I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, let's get to the palettes already. I know some of you guys really wanted to see the eyeshadow palettes. I do have a lot of NARS, not too many eyeshadow palettes, but it's quite a lot for one person, you know what I mean, especially because I don't know how to do eyeshadow. But yeah, we'll see if I put some on for y'all today. So here I have the All or Nothing face palette. I've always wanted this palette, by the way. I love it. Nice and cheap, beautiful packaging. Look at this, I love it. Gold and the linings. So yeah, again, back to this. You guys can probably see me. So yeah, this is one of my favorite palettes from MECCA. It's got all these beautiful shades here, as you guys can see. About 20 shades, eyeshadow shades, and then this is the contour, the blush, and 2 highlight colors. Yeah, anyways, this basically tells you how to do your eyeshadow, your highlight, your contour, and your lips. I love it so much, guys. And it's got a beautiful little helpful mirror here, and it comes with lip gloss and an eyeliner, which I love so much. So let me get to swatching this for you guys. So guys, I thought I'd move the camera up a little bit so it's easier for me to show you guys the swatches. So yeah, and the little table I'm working on. So yeah, that's the beautiful palette. Let me swatch these awesome shades for you guys. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so my neighbors were outside the window, so I thought I'll just turn on my lights and do it with the unnatural lighting. So yeah, so sorry about the lighting guys, it's very bright. So this is my Narcissus palette. As I said, beautiful packaging. Yeah, beautiful packaging. Now let's get to the swatching, y'all. I have definitely used the colors here. So my next palette that I have here is my Stephen Klein NARS palette. Look at this packaging, y'all. Okay, hold it a minute. It's pretty hard to open, especially when you got no nails. So I have swatched this off camera before in my own time. So it comes with an amazing black eyeliner. I love that it comes with that. And then we got these beautiful 4 shades here, just to put in your pouch when you need to. Next, I have another NARS palette here. It's the NARS Erdem palette. I'm not sure how to say it, sorry about that here. This palette is called Fleur Fatale. So let's get to the shades already. Excuse the dirty mirror. I've had this palette for quite a while now. I haven't yet used these colors. I was basically gonna give this to my mom. She really liked the mirror and I felt like she would love the shades too, and she did too. Look at the shades on this little palette here. Fleur Fatale, this is so nice. Very similar in shade. They would have just added highlight to that. Now we have the NARS palette. You guys won't be able to see it. It's very light in color. The naming of it, you guys might be able to see Sarah Moon, or Sarah Moon, however you say it. I love the look of it. Look at it. I just love it so much. I love the dimensional thing that's going on here. Opens upwards. It's been cold lately, so yeah. But yeah, that's the mirror. Sorry about the mirror, guys. I have this thing of not cleaning the mirrors of my palettes. This one I have not really used yet, but it's not too pigmented, this palette. Colors are very non-pigmented. You have to really build it up with these colors. But these two colors here are beautiful highlight colors there. It's very light. Those are your colors that come in the palette. Oh, there we go, we can see it better now. Oh, I love these colors, y'all. My Kristen Leanne Urban Decay collab. Look at this buttery package. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's called Daydream. It's an eyeshadow palette only, but I'm just gonna use it for whatever I want, y'all. So you have just your average shadows here. I'm not gonna take, oh no, I already took it off. No. So there we go. Not too much in colors. I love this one. This one's called Subscribe. And I'm gonna put down my eyes so y'all can subscribe. This is the shade 8, Subscribe 1212. It's like a blushy shade, Daydream. Yeah, that's a beautiful color actually. And then we have Lucy. Get to the Smashbox Eyes palette here. So we have NARS Stephen Klein here. Single eyeshadow. It's called Never Too Late. And let me just check, this one might be the same. Yes, this is. So I got 2 of them. So I'm gonna show you the open one. Very pretty colors. So that's cute little packaging. Oh, sorry, you guys might be getting anxiety from my dirty arms, but yeah, Never Too Late. Very pretty, y'all. Look at that. Never in my life did I ever think I'd be getting a single shade. So it's like a greeny grey color. I really love green. Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. It's so pretty, y'all. And I guess that brings us to the end of our eyeshadows. So I'm gonna just tip out the goodies I have here onto this table. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys, these are extras that I've gotten. A lot of them are samples. I've got a tearjerker set, Stephen Klein also. It's just got your average, it's just got mascara and eyeliners in there. I got a nail polish in the shade Hard to Get. I got a Josie Maran cleansing oil sample. Also an eye cream sample here. I got a couple of these. I got 2 brow makers here, but the shade for the eyebrows is very light for me. This is a beautiful buttery brightening serum. I love this. I'm too scared to use it too much. So again, this is just like these 2 balls here are lip balms. This goes with this is also an Intense Relief Balm, so these 2 are the same things. I got a couple of those, and then I got here Urban Decay lipstick. Yeah, it's just one of their samples that they released last year or maybe beginning of this year. So I got the shade Naked. I also got another shade Naked here. It's a nice little shade. So it just comes with all those 20 shades. Urban Decay Life, y'all. All the goodies I got a Naked Skin Urban Decay foundation shade thing. So it just comes with samples of foundations or concealers you might want to try for your skin. I got the New Face Prep and Glow Cleansing Exfoliating Hydrate cloths. So yeah, so one side is exfoliating and the other side is just a nice smooth side for like normal wipes. So I got 3 of those. I got the MECCA Max Lip Kiss and Tell Plumping Lip Masks. I don't have lips, so it's probably not too useful for me, but I still have yet to try those. And I got hygienic nail files. I don't have nails to file again, but for those that might need it, I'll probably just give it to them. It doesn't help that I got 4 nail filers and I don't know who's gonna use them. I forgot about this. I got a cute little Smashbox eyeshadow here. It's very tiny. And here are just samples of MECCA primers, basically. Just stuff you prep your skin with, and this is a hydrating treatment jelly by Clinique, just put on your skin. I think it cleanses. I'm not too sure, I haven't tried it yet. Again, I got another illuminating body oil from MECCA, and yeah. Now this is amazing though. I've used like 3 of these already, my samples. By Drunk Elephant, very expensive product but very worthwhile. And Exfoliate Cleansing Exfoliator. That's basically all that was in my goodies bag, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe button, and also another still gel ink to cushion eyeliner. But yeah, don't forget to comment, highlight, share with your friends, your family or whatever, and know that I'll be back with more videos. See ya!